The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds, forming the desired shapes and sizes for our diverse product range. As per our unique recipes, we incorporate premium nuts, enhancing both texture and flavor. The molded chocolates are cooled to solidify, locking in their rich taste and smooth texture. Finally, each chocolate is carefully packaged, ready to delight our customers with benchmark signature quality. Over time, as the demand for our chocolates grew, we listened to our customers and decided to innovate to meet the increasing request. We have expanded our production by upgrading the larger machines and creating more space. This expansion allows us to maintain the quality we love while ensuring we cater to growing products.
Take